Hey, what's up guys? It's David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today we got a little unboxing here from Josh.ai. Some brand new stuff. The Nano. Can't wait to show you guys. So if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that like, hit that notification bell so anytime we do a video, guys, you guys get notified because we try to get 2 of these out a week. And yeah, lots of cool stuff to show you guys. We're going to have an installation video. And we're gonna have obviously some cool demos. We'll probably set all this up at our office. But I wanted to show you guys, we just got this in yesterday, and I just wanted to do a little unboxing and show you all what we got. So stay tuned, let's do this. All right, let's get to this unboxing. So we we got the special. So it includes 2 of, I believe, the Nanos. And what else we got? And then this is the new core. So yeah, that'd be awesome. All right, let's get these Nanos out. See if I can not cut the box itself. Or me. It's always good not to cut myself. I'm assuming these are the same. Now, again guys, when it comes to voice control, Josh is where it's at. It's a lot more secure. You're not giving out all your information, and it works very, very well. As you can see in our past videos, you can integrate shades, lighting, music. It also has an app, so you can do thermostats and cameras and all these kind of things through it. So it could be a standalone system all by itself. And then obviously it can integrate with some other third-party companies. So let's get to it. Let's see here. So you can figure out the box without breaking the box. Does it slide out? Oh, okay. It's got a cool, got a little welcome sign here. See that? It says, "Hey there, I'm Josh." So yeah, super cool. Now, see what it comes with. You got this little video bag. What kind of goodies do we have in here? All right. Now, looks like it's the same pretty much as the, well, no, it's a little bit different, as the micro. Okay. So you have this little bracket here. I'm assuming this mounts to this. Yes. Yeah, it's gonna be like that. Yep. Okay. Either, nope. And then of course, okay, so the look of it, so here is the Nano. Can y'all see that? This is the voice control piece. This is the piece that you guys would want to put in every room. Let me see, what do I got? What do I have to compare in size? So here is like an SD card holder. It's not much bigger than that. I mean, holy cow, it is small. I thought I might have had a quarter handy. Actually, I do have a quarter handy in my pocket from this morning. So here's a quarter. So, compared to a quarter, look how big. That's incredible. So, you're going to get much better audio from the mics that's in this thing, because we have 4 little holes here, and then the way that it picks up is going to be even more accurate to your voice. And obviously, look how thin it is. So it's matter of fact, I don't know the exact dimensions or the thickness, but compared to a quarter, again, it's not much thicker than that. If you see that or not, guys. but not much thicker than a quarter. So super cool. Now, if you look here on, it's got a little switch right there. So this is your mute switch. So let's say you're in a room, maybe you're going to watch a movie, or you're in a room, it's a party, or you're entertaining, and you don't want Josh to be active. You don't want somebody to actually say, hey Josh, or hey, and it's always, breaking in the music. If you're playing music or whatever it may be, you can actually hit this little switch and flip it on and off. That's super cool. Just walk up to it. So also, we'll hopefully show you guys soon, there's a new plate from Lutron, part of the integration. If you're doing Lutron lighting and stuff on the faceplate, that they make it for this to fit flush in their faceplate, like a double gain faceplate. So you'll have, let's say, a keypad or a light switch on one side, and then this built flush in the other. So that's super cool without just randomly putting this in the wall somewhere. But again, as small as this is and as flush as this mounts to the wall, my goodness, man, that's I knew it was gonna be small, but I didn't realize it was gonna be that small. So again, the whole idea of Josh, guys, is, and that's why they're trying to make this even better and smaller, is because we want everything to be natural. So any area that you want to control, whether it's music, lights, shades, whatever it may be, that you want to control those things with voice, you would want one of these mics in each of those areas. So now the back is super cool. So it's got this little connector, you can see that, and obviously it's going to connect onto this piece like so. It looks like it should snap in right there and right there. Yeah, snaps in just like that. So that's what's good. This part right here is going to be what's in the wall. And then you have this piece that's going to go like so on either side. So you're gonna cut your little hole for this to go through. So your hole size is this diameter, and I do not know that diameter at this moment, but actually I do have a measuring ruler. So let's go here. Let's see here. So yeah, 1 inch. So exactly 1 inch is this little tube. So you would drill a 1 inch hole in your whatever concrete, in your sheetrock or whatever, and then you would stick this in. And again, this is what's going to hold it. So you have this on the back side. It's got these little prongs to kind of hold up against the sheetrock. So when you push it in, then it stays in nice and tight, and this is flush in the front. So very cool. Now in the back of this is a little slot, a little hole right there. You see that? So this adapter, which came in this little cool bag, this adapter goes all the way in this and plugs in there. So this side is where your Cat 6 with a RJ45 jack. So your PoE, this is a PoE adapter. So you're running PoE to this. So it's sending power and data to this. Very clean. So everywhere that you're going to have one of these nanos in the wall, you just run a Cat 6 to that location, whether it's to the lighting switch location, if you're going to build this flush into the light switch, or on the wall somewhere. So very cool. And I believe these come in a couple of different colors, guys, and I'll put that in the description below as well. But I believe they come in other colors besides white. So, but yeah, very cool. And we'll open this other one up, but I am pretty positive that it's identical to that one. But oh, one last thing. So just to compare, so this is the Nano, this is the Micro. Just a little bit of difference. So this was the first generation, or first, you can still buy these, and it still uses a dongle very similar to this one that plugs into the back side to be powered and data going to it. But look how big this is. Remember, now this also came with a stand that you could put on a tabletop, or there was different ways of mounting it into the wall or on the wall. But yeah, but look how big that is compared to this. And again, this round piece right here is the only part you're going to see, and it's that thick. Look how thick that is. Matter of fact, let's put these side by side. Let's get you a real deal. Okay, now, just a little bit different. So, yeah, not that this is ugly or anything, but this is a much better, prettier fit and finish, you know? So look at that. Man, what a difference. What a difference. Yeah, I can't wait to show you guys when we get these installed. So I'm going to open this one up real fast. I'm pretty sure it's exactly the same thing, same color, all that kind of stuff. No, I was wrong. Okay, that's right. So, pleasantly surprised. So this one is the black version of this one. So let me take this piece apart. There we go. So we have the white one, and then we have the black. So very cool. So obviously if you're going with darker walls or whatnot, then here's the black one. And again, it's exactly the same, you know, size and everything. It's just a different color. So there you go. So I got one white and one black, and super cool. And again, these are only PoE. So just run your Cat 6 to that location, and you're good to go. And just have a PoE switch ready to power them up. So let me put some of this away there. Super cool. Get all these little miscellaneous parts. Oops, put that wrong piece on there. There we go. I'll get it put together right here in a second. All right, cool. All right, so we have 2 Nanos. Super cool to get these installed, guys. And we'll definitely show you an install video, so I'll show you the real fit and finish. And we're just going to have these probably go on the wall. We probably won't do the Lawton faceplate as of now, because I'm not even sure they're even shipping just yet. But when you do the Nanos, you do have to do the new core processor. So it actually has some weight to it. Now, this also helps you tie into multi-channel systems. You know, if you're using a multi-channel amplifier, trying to see if this opens this way. Yeah, there we go. Okay. All right. Find step-by-step instructions at Josh.ai setup core. So cool beans. All right, we have. Oh, that's super cool. So here it is. It actually has a lot of weight to it, and that's interesting. So you have this little adapter at the bottom you can screw in. You have these little pads so you can sit on the table. And then, of course, I believe they also make custom faceplates for Mid-Atlantic for this as well. Got the neat dog, little Josh.ai logo right there. But yeah, so these does not come with a power cord because you power it PoE. So as you can see, guys, you got voice in 1, voice in 2, voice out 1, voice out 2. So this is how you can get where the Josh voice can go through the speakers of a multi-zone system and play. So super cool. You got your status and network lights at the front. So they light up white, which does look cool. I've seen that. I think the dog lights up too. We'll show you that on the install video, guys. So pretty neat, pretty excited that we finally have this. Like I said, we're gonna get this installed at the office and show you guys the installation, and then get some programming going and show you how it works with the new Nano. So again, guys, hope you like the video. This is a short, brief one just on a little unboxing of the new Nano. And if you guys have any questions, comments, leave them in below. We'll put some descriptions of all this stuff I've talked about down below as well. So again, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.